Hey there! Have you ever seen this trend where you make color illustrations by picking colors from a color palette without actually seeing the colors that you are using? Well, I do. This shows up to my feed every now and then, and every time it does, it kinda makes me wanna try it so bad. But I can't. Why? Well, you see, I'm using Ibis Paint as my main drawing software, and it has the option to turn the entire canvas to grayscale. So it'll gonna work, right? Right? Well, at least that's what I thought. You see, whenever I use this method, instead of picking the actual color from the color palette, it picks the grayscale version of that color, which is so annoying, and it kinda made me stuck there for a freaking long time. Until now. I was just doom scrolling through IG shorts when I come across this video, which shows the exact challenge I was trying to attempt. And the best part is, they made it using Ibis Paint. But you're probably wondering, how did they do it? You said that using grayscale filter doesn't work. How was I able to do that? Well, after a little bit of digging, I guess I finally have the answer. Before we dive even further, if you enjoyed this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. So that's it. Let's get back to the video. Well, basically what they did was, they first make a random palette using Ibis Paint. Then, they go to their device settings, they look for the system, the accessibility, text in display, color correction, and then they turn on the grayscale. Then, there we go. The only thing that left to do is to draw. Finally, after days of troubleshootings, I finally finished. And not bad for my first time, I guess. And honestly, I might consider making another one of these in the future. So, did we learn something? For me, of course. I guess the lesson here is to not focus on the outcome of the painting, but rather focus on the process. Simply enjoy the process. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and hopefully you have a great day, Mina. Bye!